So I'm going to do 5 example solves. I gave up on the Chris Olsen style where you do where you solve it and then reconstruct. I'm just going to go straight up instead. So there are so I'm going to go for red front. So I've got 3 bad there, 1 good, and then those 3 there. Bad, 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 bad. So I'm going to do a B prime to set up to have a 3 move for the rest of the edges, but I'll also put this edge and this edge opposite, and we'll also set those 2 up as well, because look, B prime makes those 3 good, that one bad. R2 U prime sets that there and that there. I could do an F. So what that F does, that solves those. Now I'm going to solve the orange and red edges, like so, and then just R prime L to R prime L prime to solve the cross. Now pairs this one back here. I do that one next and solve. And those 2, although this gives a nicer, actually no it doesn't. I'll do those 2. I'll insert with, oh that was bad. Yeah, my EOCross solutions aren't brilliant than CBLL. I will do 5 of these. So now, yeah, I'm going to do white. Now I'm going to do green up front. So I've got 4 bad edges there and 4 bad edges there. So I can do a B to set that one up. I can do F to set that up, RLB, and then that'll bring the green one there and the white one there. It will have the red there and the orange there, so they're on good sides basically. So I can go F to orientate those edges, set that up. RLB, so now they're opposite. That's not, but I'm going to do L prime R2 D prime. Now it's just 3 moves to get the rest of the cross. Although I'd probably see that and cancel. See that there, cancel into inserting that. Then I've got that there. And I can again cancel into that, although that will leave me with a back case. But I can again cancel into it. Oh, I'll skip then. My turn. And third one. Now I'll just go straight away and go for the 2x2x2. So 4 bad here. And again blue in front. 4 bad here. I'll just do I do a B, and then these. So F prime, U prime, F prime. Okay, this case is kind of bad. So you can do a D prime to set up those 2, and then these 2 are just connected. So then it's just R2 B2. Now that pair there, looking that one there probably. Don't use that solution, it's bad. Then green, orange, and then blue, orange. And now 2GL. No, that's one out. Okay, next one. Oh, this is a good one. So I do orange front because look at these edges. So I've got 4 bad there, no bad anywhere else. So if I do a D prime, that will solve that and set these 4 bad up as well as solving that. If I was, well, you can do here, this is a cool thing. So I've got the pair there, that there I can do RU prime B2, which will set up this block here. Oh, that's nice. It also set that up so I can do that. And then this one. I know that that's where the corner is, so I can take it out and then pair and insert CLL Z them. I have no idea how efficient or otherwise these are. I'd go with red front simply because the bad edges are in a good position and I can track those relatively easily. So I can do a U prime to set the line edges opposite, but I know that will also make that opposite. So I'll do D stuff like this. So line, solve them opposite, so I can solve that one. One there I can do U prime, no U, R2. That's actually quite lucky, it's solved a pair, but I'll take that. Then I'd probably do this pair next. And then this one back here, set up. Then I've got that one there. And now ZBL. Yeah, I'll do one more. Okay, so here that's already solved opposite and that on opposite colours. So I can do L2 to bring the bad edge that's there to there, because I've got 3 bad here. And I can do an F prime, which will set that up opposite. Then it's just L, D, L, D to solve the rest. So I know it's L prime, D, L, D. No, yeah, wait. L, let's set all that up. D prime, L prime, D prime, okay. And now I do that pair there. Then this one back here. Oh, that's nice, set up there. And then cancel into this pair. Now I've got, I don't know this one, diag CLL. New perm to finish. So that's 6 example solves. I'll put the scrums in the description. Hope they are helpful and useful. Yeah. Get fast.